Every woman admires well-manicured nails when they see them. However, only a few know how to beautify their nails without a visit to the salon. To make things easy for you, we will discuss how to apply nail polish like a pro in today's video. Hi, welcome to Valure Beauty channel. Here we give you beauty updates on the latest trends, styles, how-tos, and other essential beauty information to beauty enthusiasts around the world. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to enjoy more beauty content. The first thing people notice when you put out your hand to shake them is your fingernails. Imagine someone with dirty and unkempt nails stretching out their hands to shake you. Disgusting, right? Well, this is the reason why we must take care of our nails. One of the ways of taking care of your nails is to apply nail polish to them. But many women do not know how to apply nail polish on their nails, which is why they visit the salon. While going to a salon to get a manicure is an excellent choice, when you want to save time and money, you have to take matters into your own hands. This video will guide you on the step-by-step process of applying nail polish like a pro. Before you can start applying nail polish, here are some items you need: cotton balls, nail polish removal, nail clipper, nail file, clear top coat nail polish, your nail polish. Now that you have these items handy, let's go right straight into it. Step 1. Prep your nails. The first step of how to apply nail polish at home is to prep your nails. If you have nail polish on your nails before, you have to clean it. Dab the cotton ball with the nail polish remover and gently wipe the old polish off your nails. Once you're done with that, take the nail clipper and trim your nails to your desired length. Then use the nail buffer to gently push the extended cuticles inward. After that, make sure you file your nails till it is clean. Then apply petroleum jelly around the cuticle. This makes it easier for you to clean any nail polish that touches the cuticles. Now, your nails are ready for polish application. Step 2. Apply the base coat. The next step is to apply the base coat. The purpose of using a base coat is to ensure the nail polish has something to stick to. Besides, it keeps the nail polish away from staining the nail pigment. Allow the base coat to dry before you move to the next step.